Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're doing well. Let's take a look at section 1 of your poetry portfolio. This one is focused on poetic devices. So for this section, you're going to use a poetic device that we went over in class to analyze a poem. You're also going to write your own poem with poetic devices. And you'll notice here you have some resources linked. It's the Quizlet and then our glossary of terms if you need those. So the first step is you're going to read this poem, Arithmetic by Carl Sandburg. Once you have read it, and you can use the audio as well, you're going to the next slide where you're going to answer some questions about the different poetic devices that were included here and reflect on that. So that's going to be step 1. Step 2 then will be your own poem. You have your directions here. Your goal is to write a poem that uses poetic devices. There are some different options here in that blue box, so I'll encourage you to read that and make sure you understand what's going on there. And then here is where you'll put your poem, possibly an image if you want to include that. Really, you can make this page look however you would like. That is your work for section 1. Let me know if you have any questions.